Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert content files from Google Drive into your email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and content that we have saved to Google Drive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner, go to Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's go to Compose, increase the size of the email window. Let's now select a recipient, which is admin@computersciencevideos.com. Subject, Google Drive import. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Go to the next line and then type in, please see the attached Google Drive image. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. Before we send, do not forget to attach the Google Drive image. Let's now go to Insert File using Drive. This will take us to our Google Drive. I want to insert the YouTube icon.jpg. We can add this as a link or as an attachment. Let's now add as an attachment. Let us also add this as a link. Same procedure, same protocols, YouTube icon, add as a link. Let's now click on send. Go to view message. And there we have it. Google Drive import. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Google Drive image, which we can click on, and this will take us to that particular image within our Google Drive. Go back to the email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. We also have the attachment that was sent as part of a Google Drive import. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.